Gray wolves in North America are among the most disciplined predators, combining strong bite force with endurance that carries them across many miles. Between gray wolves and grizzly bears, competition often centers on territory, food sources, and living space. When these two forces meet, the rhythm of the forest quickly shifts. In Yellowstone National Park, when a wolf pack has just secured a large elk, the scent of food spreads rapidly through the valley. A grizzly bear is drawn in by that signal and moves directly into the contested area with the confidence of a dominant presence. In response, a pack of around 10 wolves immediately forms a pincer-like formation to defend what they have claimed. They move in and out with precision, testing the reactions of their rival. Even when several individuals press in within less than 10 feet, the grizzly bear remains steady. It relies on a body mass several times greater than a single wolf, along with powerful shoulders to apply direct pressure. A well-timed turn and forward step can disrupt the encirclement. Under that pressure, the wolves are forced to widen their formation and give ground. But when a den area is at risk, the pack responds with far greater intensity. They coordinate through numbers, vocal signals, and close approaches to protect the next generation. Facing such organized defense, the grizzly bear must weigh the reward against the cost. In the wild, success belongs to those who know when to advance and when to step back.